Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of the TP-Link AC600 USB Wi-Fi adapter, Archer T2U Plus, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This adapter is designed to upgrade your desktop or laptop's wireless capabilities, offering a reliable and fast connection with dual-band support. Compact yet powerful, it supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, delivering speeds up to 200 megabits per second and 433 megabits per second respectively, making it ideal for everyday tasks like web browsing, online gaming, and streaming without lag or interruptions. One of the standout features of the Archer T2U Plus is its 5 dB high-gain, adjustable antenna. This multi-directional antenna can be rotated to optimize signal reception, providing a stronger and more stable connection even in areas with weaker Wi-Fi coverage. The adapter supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, XP, and macOS versions from 10.9 to 10.14, ensuring compatibility with most devices. While installation is generally straightforward, some users might need to download and install the latest drivers from the TP-Link website for optimal performance. Pros of this adapter include its compact design, strong and adjustable antenna for enhanced